Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Is it working? Hello, everyone. Is it working now? Hello at the back. Can this work? Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. Again, I'm Inderpreet Shoker. I'm Director of Research at ARC Advisory Group. And thank you for joining our session. We have great speakers and great panelists join us today. They will introduce themselves as they come along, and a detailed bio is also available on our app, so please check that out if you'd like. But before we get into our end user presentations, I do have a short presentation. If we can please pull it up, just to set the stage for our conversation today. So we always hear that there is ever increasing pressure, stakeholder pressure, shareholder pressure to expand the business, to improve profitability, to reduce operating cost, to decrease unplanned downtime. And on top of that, we get into economic situations. We got into COVID a few years ago, and then we are still dealing with supply chain disruptions. And again, now we are hearing about an economic slowdown. So continuously we see there is a lot of pressure on our owner operators, end users, and they basically need to improve in various different areas, including asset management. But when it comes to asset management, it's not like no change has been happening. We have seen a lot of investment and a lot of improvement, a lot of innovation in asset management technologies. Years ago, we would mostly be doing reactive maintenance. We were just fixing, what is broken. And then over the years, we improved our maintenance practices. We started doing more planned maintenance, and then we started doing more proactive maintenance. And then we started implementing condition monitoring. And then for our highly critical assets, we are doing predictive maintenance, RBI, FMEAs. And then we are also at a very advanced level. We're not only predictive, we don't only have predictions that when an asset is going to fail, we have prescriptive actions as well, that what may be causing this and what could be the recommended action. So we have a now wide variety of asset management techniques or technologies to choose from based on the criticality of the asset. And over the years, the way we see asset management has also been changing a little bit, because earlier we would think of it as mostly for around maintenance and to improve our reliability or availability goals. But over the years, what we have seen is that we are now trying to incorporate a lot of the advanced data and analysis techniques. We are looking at digital twins, we are looking at analytics and machine learning, and then we are trying to incorporate augmented reality, robots, and connectivity devices. So we're trying to improve how we look at asset management as a whole and trying to incorporate a lot of technologies. And the goal has been kind of changing as well, because as I said earlier, it was only reliability and availability. Now when you look at asset management, you are trying to tie this with your business goals. Like, first of all, we want to reduce our cost, but is it helping reduce my risk? Of course, availability, reliability, uptime goals. And then, is it helping me meet my ESG goals? Is it helping me serve my customers better? So earlier, we didn't have that kind of visibility into the data as well. Now we do have more visibility and tying asset management practices to our goals. And again, we have range of technologies available to do that today. And we'll hear from our end users how they are implementing different technologies and how they see asset management as a whole. So with that, I would like to wrap up my presentation and invite our first speaker here.